Well, I found this capacitor was shorting the B plus rail to ground, which that's what was killing the chassis. I'm running at reduced voltage right now with a really small junky antenna, and the thing still works pretty good.
Artists in Shifu have already established the first gallery in Henan province.
This is a foreign broadcast band.
They also hold art lectures in which artists gather to study contemporary work. The commune has turned impossible goals into reality in the past 2 years.
Artists in Shifu Art Commune are doing works of their own, keeping them on pace with the International Art Circle.
Thank you, Yan. That wraps up this week's edition of China Horizons show. To listen to today's show or one of our previous editions, please visit crienglish.com. If you have any comments or suggestions.
Got a long way to go, but at least now I know I won't be wasting my money on caps.